Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And before starting today's video, grab yourself a glass of water and let's get started. Alright, in today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys all about my April favorites. It's been a while since I've actually sat down in front of the camera and spoken. I think it's been more than like 15 days. And I did post a video last week. It's all about us going for mango plucking and it was really fun. I will leave it in the card somewhere and also in the description box, so check it out. So in today's video I'll be talking to you guys about my April favorites. I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. The first thing I want to talk to you guys is let's get started with body care and then go to makeup. The first thing I want to talk to you guys is this. This is the Dove's exfoliating body polish. This is how it looks like. Oh my god, I love this so much. This is so amazing and it smells like dream. This has crushed macadamia and rice milk. I will leave all the links in the description box. You guys can go check it out. This smells heavenly. It's one of the best body polishes I have ever found, at least in the Indian market so far, and that's really affordable. And this is for about $6.99, but I'm sure that you'll have so many offers that keep running, so definitely check this out. This smells heavenly. It does have exfoliating particles in it, so it is an exfoliating body polish, but it's really good. I use it once in I think I use it once in 2 days or 3 days. So in a week I use it twice and it's really good. It leaves your skin so smooth, so soft and so buttery. The next thing that I have for the body is another Bath & Body Works product, and this is the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Comfort. I don't know whether I've actually talked about this in my previous favorites, but this is a really good product. It's so smooth. It has both vanilla and patchouli in it. It's really good. It's lovely to smell and you are literally moisturized throughout the day. You don't need to even touch up with this product. It's really good, and if you moisturize once, you're good for the entire day. It's a really good moisturizer. It's a tad bit expensive, but it's all worth it. Now coming into moisturization of the face and makeup and all of that, the first thing I have right here is the Clinique's Overnight Mask. Oh my god, I don't know what to talk to you guys about. This is one of the best moisturizers. Clinique moisturizers are so good. They are worth all the hype. They are fragrance free. They're super nourishing, and they are not sticky. They're not they don't grease up your face. It's amazing. I really love them. So I know they're a tad bit expensive, but definitely they're worth it. The next product that I have is something I've used like throughout my April, and that is this eyeshadow palette. This is the NYX Lingerie eyeshadow palette. This is a very pretty eyeshadow palette. It has all natural neutral mauves and nudes. It's really pretty. It's an amazing quality. It's so good and so affordable. I think this is for 600 bucks or something like that. This is really good. You might think that you're gonna just get like 3 to 4 looks, but you really love. You can get so many looks out of this. I've been using it through the entire month, and I will post like a couple of pictures that I used this eyeshadow particularly, but it's really good. And the shadows are so buttery. They blend like nobody's business. Now when we're talking on the topic of eyeshadows, I want to talk to you guys about an eyeliner. Now this is from Debashree's. Debashree Banerjee is an Indian YouTuber, if you guys don't know, and she came out with her own line of beauty that's called as Define, and I have the shade Dessert in it. This is a beautiful this kind of a blue color. I will leave a picture wherein I've done multiple looks with these colors. I have like 2 of them. I really love them. They're so beautiful. Oh my god, they're amazing. Particularly I like this shade. This is the Dessert in this is the Dessert eyeshadow. It's an eyeliner, but I kind of like to use it as an eyeshadow as well sometimes. Really good. Next and the last product of makeup that I have is actually a beautiful blush. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today, and it is this blush. This is the K by Katrina blush. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I have it on my face right now. It's so buttery, so pigmented. Yeah, this is in the shade Tickled Pink. Lovely, amazing, such affordable and good quality blushes. K-Beauties knows what they're doing. It's amazing. Really appreciate the way they're doing everything, and it's amazing. I love them so much. Now coming to the Netflix, or the movie binging favorites. The first one I have is in Telugu. I think I have a bunch of movies from Telugu and Hindi as well. So the first one I have is O Pitta Kada. Oh my god. When I watched this movie, I and my husband, both of us were like hooked to the TV. We did not know what was going on, and it was such fun. Like every you kind of see, I cannot even explain you the story, but everybody has their own story, and in the end all of the story kind of clubs together. That is how I can tell you. That is like the easiest way I can tell you. So it's really good. I did not even know who the hero and the villain was until the end. It was really good. It's really good for if you're somebody who wants to like have a quick watch with your family, very light kind of a movie. And I think during this time where we're like stuck at home and we don't know what to do, I think Netflix and all of these streaming medias are trying to do their best as well. So that is number one. The second one I have is Shaadi Mubarak. This is also a Telugu movie, and I don't know whether you guys this is a lovely movie. It's a very light-hearted movie. O Pitta Kada, like the movie that I've suggested before, O Pitta Kada, is a little you need to like be present in the movie, but Shaadi Mubarak is very nice, airy, light-hearted movie that you will really like it. It's a very fun movie, and it's like a cute watch with your family, so you will definitely love it. The next one is definitely The Bold Type on Netflix. It's a series and it's amazing. Oh my god, I am so hooked. I like completed the entire series in about 2 to 3 days. I binge watched series. For people who don't know, I literally binge watch content so bad. If I have a new series that I like, I continuously watch it until I'm sleeping from the time I wake up. So that's how I complete my series. It's really bad, but it's really how I watch my series. But The Bold Type is really fun. It is something, it's like three best friends who are trying to find their lives. Everybody has their own story, but in the end they're all together with everybody. It's supportive, and one of the best things I like is the New York Hustle they shows. Oh my god, New York Hustle. I don't know when we can travel, but that is a place I would love to go. The next thing is another movie. Now this is Vicky Kaushal's first movie is what I've heard. I don't know, don't hold me to it. But it is Love Per Square Feet. It is also a very fun movie. This kind of is like Shaadi Mubarak, but in a different way. Now this is like, he wants to buy a own house before he gets married, and he kind of falls into something. It's really good. You can watch it. But I did not like this movie a lot, but it was a very fun, airy movie to watch. Like, you don't need to be present in your mind, and it's really good. It's very funny, and there's no too much drama or chaos or too many things that are happening that you can't keep up. So those are all my April favorites. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family and help me grow, you guys. It'll mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.